Hey folks, Adam here beside the pool, and I have this. It is my HandFan bottle from Health Surface. It's the inventor of the fan water bottle, and this thing is absolutely incredible. Now, for me, this was perfect. I just got back from a trip to Mexico where I realized the water there gives me a little bit of an upset stomach, but not with Health Surface's HandFan bottle, because they use an integrated filter to go ahead and clean out all that bacteria from the bottle before you drink it. And that helps you stay healthy. That is good. Now, on top of that, it has this built-in fan, which is great for the pool. For at the ball game or wherever you may be, this is going to make you feel great. Now, these guys have been around for a while. Their company is dedicated to helping the environment, helping you, and helping your overall health. This is Jackie's longtime legacy, and it's absolutely fantastic. So I'm gonna ask you to go ahead and pick it up. It's incredible, and stick around for the up-close portion of the video, but hey, take it from me. The best way to stay healthy is drinking water, and if you're in a foreign country, hiking, biking, walking, outdoor nature, even at a resort, there's a good chance you may not be able to drink the water. Your body's not used to that bacteria. So getting something like this to be able to drink the water and stay cool is a smart idea. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. Again, I'm Adam, Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products that are revolutionizing the world, and this is among the best things we've seen in a long time. Go ahead and pick it up and you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for joining us, and stick around because we have our fantastic up-close portion of the video where you get to see all about it. This comes in black and blue, so pick out the color, that's for you. And yeah, it's absolutely phenomenal. HandFan bottle, Health Surface, absolutely fantastic. All right, folks, and yeah, adjustable speed, rechargeable battery, long lasting. I'm gonna keep you healthy. All right, and yeah, this became really popular in 2020 when everything went down with health and whatever. This made a difference. Go ahead and pick yours up and stick around for the up-close portion of our video. All right, folks, we're looking at the HandFan bottle from the inventor of the fan water bottle. This is absolutely fantastic. 600 ml, 20 ounces, and this is going to do a great job of filtering your water and acting as a fan with a variety of speed settings, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. This thing really moves some air and is going to cool you off like crazy. Of course, it has a variety of lids. You can just close it up if you want. That goes on top. Comes with the cleaning straw and everything you need to filter your water. Now, Jackie did a great job with this. The inventor, Jackie, of the HandFan water bottle, went on a trip in 2016, got awful sick in his stomach, and said, you know what, there's got to be a better way to drink water when you're overseas. Now, as I told you, I just got back from Mexico. I was afraid of the water, but I had my HandFan bottle by Health Surplus, and they did a great job. It says he drank some water in a foreign country, probably got E. coli, had a stomach bug, whatever it was, and realized he needed to filter that water. So he did years of research. He did all the studies, and he figured out a way to filter your water to where you can drink it. And on top of that, they threw a fan on top so you can stay cool and relax, whether you are out camping with the baby or whatever you're doing. This is tritan material, BPA-free, filtered. They use recycled materials where they can, and or like stuff that's good for the environment in every single bottle. So folks, if you're looking for something fantastic, something that's the bee's knees, the cat's pajamas, something that is rechargeable, that's right, with USB-C, that's the smart new stuff. Go ahead and pick this up. You won't be disappointed. It's stylish, sophisticated, chic, and, well, just pretty awesome. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Get to sipping, get to drinking, and check out Health Surface's fan water bottle. Jackie is amazing, incredible. It says, what is the essential meaning of the invention of the HandFan bottle, a reporter asked. Jackie said, this is health and surface. Self-surface is the driving force of human progress, and healthy life is the eternal pursuit of human beings. This is the little gift that I thought to the long history in my limited life. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. Fantastic products from fantastic people. HandFan Bottle is incredible. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and pick it up, and adios, amigos.